Hi everyone, I hope you are ready for me to totally blow your mind. And thanks to Jay Montgomery for his question earlier, which was the catalyst to me seeing what I could do with this. Right, so as you can see, I've logged into my MemberHub portal and I've selected one of my packages stroke products in my one of my membership sites. So for this purpose we're going to do this free one is what I'm going to use. So let's make sure we have that set. Okay, I can now go back to the packages dashboard and select that again. Right, so I'm now going to go to the sign up form. Now, probably most of you up to now have actually been using this sign up URL. It certainly does the job, but you'll probably agree with me, it isn't the most appealing in looks. Well, this little video is going to change all that for you. So what I need to do, firstly, is we do not need to use the captcha. So I'm going to turn that off. Oops, there we go, because that does change this HTML code, form code a little. So I'm now going to copy that, having selected it all. So I've just done Control C. I'm going to go down here where I'm going to paste the details in and save it, albeit I probably not going to need to come back to here, but just in case I will do it that way. Now for this demonstration I am using Convertry, but don't panic, you do not need Convertry to do this. You just need something else which will allow you to add in a form code like you would in an autoresponder. So things like InstaBuilder 2 and a whole raft of other products all allow you to do this. Similarly, this is only meant for a demo, so you can really ignore all the text and that on here. Yeah. But I just want to show you, see that you can make a page, and make it really good looking, and use that, because this is where the exciting bit now comes in. So I'm going to click on this button. In fact, I can go up here, I think first. Right, I'll go on configure form. Now I had already got some in here, as you can see from a couple of tests I've done earlier. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to delete those, and this is the other one, and I'm going to create a new one, and from form code. So I can just call this MemberHub. If it was for a specific product, then you might want to include that in the name just so that you can work out what's what later. And there we go, I paste that code. In this case, I click on the create button, and now I go back. I've got to select and I want to use it. Right, and now I can go back into here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that field, for the first name, and you can see it's actually already worked out what field to use from that form that I just integrated. So I can select, so you've only got two fields anyway, F name, which is clearly for first name, then I'll click in this email field, and again it's going to be email. Okay, and then that should do it, I think. Yeah, so that's fine. So now the moment of truth. Click on save, click on publish. I'll leave this as sign up, and now I can just preview it to show you that it works. As you can see the URL up here that it's using, but that will depend on the platform that you're using, or the link that you set up in Convertory if you're using that. So let's just put John in here, and let's now I've done a few, so I'll try and put an email address in here that hopefully I haven't already used. And there you go, that has now created an account in MemberHub. And of course it will email me, or to that email address, the login details, because of course you don't set the password when you're using that form. It's going to generate one and send it to you. So if I now go back into here and look in my members, select the relevant site, which I know is this one, because I have two very similar ones, and I'll select all. And I think you'll find it's this one. I mean, the proof of that is this. Can you see it's got today's date, 0839 is when it was created. So that was 2 minutes ago. So that is totally amazing, or at least I think it is, because like I say, now you'll be able to create the page you want, add in your opt-in boxes, like for first name, email, and a button, get instant access or whatever you want to put there, and then you'll be cooking on gas, as we say here in the UK. Hope you find this really useful. I certainly have, and again thanks to Jay for posting his question, because I say that made me think, yes, I know that there is an HTML form code under that sign up link. What can I actually do with it?